Homebrewing's great, but one of the biggest pains with it is having to keep washing and cleaning bottles all the time. So I got these 5-litre mini kegs from eBay. They fit in your fridge and they're easy to reuse. How to reuse your mini kegs for homebrew. Pull the tab off the top, get a screwdriver and push the middle down. Using the same screwdriver, lever out the rubber bung. Now, to get the little bit that fell inside out, simply add some water. Open the tap, tip it upside down, and that should fall out too. If you have to add more water, rinse and repeat. Once you've got it all out, now you can simply sterilise it, add your beer, put the bung back together again, fit it on top, and you're good to go. Cheers! So, thanks very much for your time, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing here. Or if you want to watch another video like it, try this one out.